Hello everyone, this is Eric, RC Monster Garage, and what we got here today. I just wanted to do a quick video that will follow up by a comparison. So we got here 3 drag racing car, and what you got here is the DR10, the team associated, and this is the ready to run version. And on the other side you have over here the Summit Racing, of course, is the Losi drag racing car. And then right here what we got is the Losi actually roller drag racing car. So actually when you look this tail to front, it's what you get over here. So I got a lot of people asking what is the difference between those cars. So I'm filming right now a video about it, and you will guys see it probably. We're gonna try to put a link at the end of this video for it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and jump right away after to the next following video that will come, and it will be actually right now the comparison test, and I'm gonna show what there is inside and what is my opinion, which one is better. This is Eric, RC Monster Garage, MotoStyles Hobby Shop, and we do have those cars available right now. And for now we still at 17540 Chatsworth Street until kind of the end of the year, so pay attention. Bye.